Today we're going to continue talking about area formulas, but we're going to use the formulas that we've already worked on to find the area of things that are called composite figures. So composite figures are figures which are made up of two or more geometric shapes. So if I look at these two examples, they are both examples of composite figures. But the way they are now, I can't find the area of these pictures because I don't have an area formula for a shape that looks like this or a shape that looks like this. But I do see shapes in these pictures that I know. Triangles, rectangles, maybe there'll be a trapezoid. And I can find the area of those shapes. So I am going to break my shapes apart into shapes that I know I can find the area of, and then put those pieces of area back together to find the total area. Okay, so we're going to do some examples together to show you what I mean. So the first picture that we saw in the intro, I can break that up into two rectangles that I can find the area of. So in my original picture, if I just draw a line here, I end up having two separate rectangles. Rectangle 1, which I redrew over here, and rectangle 2, which I redrew over here. Okay, and I just redrew them so that you could see them separated. So I'm going to organize my work by showing I'm going to find the area of rectangle 1, and I'm going to add it to the area of rectangle 2. And when I put them back together, I will get my total area. So since I'm finding the area, I'm always going to start with the area formula. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. And now I can either look at my original picture, or I can look at my separated pictures to find the length and the width of each of these rectangles. So looking at rectangle 1, I can see that I have these two side measurements here in my picture. And I know that the length is 4.9 and the width is 1.7. So typing those numbers into my calculator, I get a total area